Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Matt with Green Bar Trading here. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded a new video, but we saw an opportunity this morning and we took it. That ticker symbol is AIFF. We had some news this morning on the stock at 7:45 in the morning. So you had your catalyst. Then I searched up the float. It was about 3 million shares. That's a great float, nice and low. Can provide a big move. So anytime you have a low float and then you have a lot of volume, right? A lot of demand on such a small supply, you can see some outsized moves, and that's what we got. All right. So the news on this was, like I said, at 7:45, they use AI for developing some solutions to, brain health, whatever it is. Doesn't really matter. All that matters is the volume was pouring in. You had your news catalyst. The float was low enough to see the big moves, and that's where we got involved. So again, this happened at 7:45. You had the initial squeeze here, and then it pulled on back and actually broke below VWAP. I don't like trading anything below VWAP. It shows that that strength that it had originally was suffering, and you saw that kind of pull back here. Now, at 8 a.m., that is when a lot of news will come out. So I waited at 8 to see if anything hit the pre-market scanner, anything new, right? Nothing was really coming out that was of any interest to me. Now, I went back to the top of the gap scanner, which was AIFF, and then we just sat, we waited, wanted to see some strength. And then if that was going to happen, I was interested. Okay. Like I said, nothing else was coming out and just waited for this. A lot of traders will do that. Okay. So that's what happened here. You saw it pull back. This is a great 5-minute setup. Really nice 5-minute setup for that new first 5-minute candle to make the new high. That's what I got involved in. Took a quick trade here. Broke VWAP, held at VWAP, nice pullback, and that's where we got involved and then sold out here on that red candle on the 1-minute chart. Okay, so I execute my trades on the 1-minute chart, but I'm looking for that 5-minute setup that we saw here, and that time was this 8:10 candle. So you had that first 5-minute candle to make a new high. You can see here, I mean, look at the volume that poured in on that. And like I said, 300 shares, very small amount of money needed to make that $90 of profit. And that's where we got out. Okay, this did continue to go up even higher. But again, you guys know if you're going to scalp trade, you're in and out. You can always get back in for new moves. But again, this is the trade that I took. And I did look back. We saw we had a really big algo squeeze last Friday on the stock, but it did not hold up the move. So knowing that in the back of my mind, it's had news before in the past. You can see here on the 10th, spiked up, algo squeeze, did not hold the move. So in the back of my mind, that is where, my head was at. It did continue to move and had a really even bigger move, up almost over 200%. So that's really nice to see. If you guys made money on this stock, leave it in the comments section. And as always, I appreciate any thumbs up on the video, and we will see you on the next one. Take care, guys.